Bianca Ogden, Platinum's International Healthcare Fund Manager, will give an overview of the global healthcare market. Bianca, both our investors and advisors have deemed healthcare to be the growth opportunity on the back of the ageing population. Do you agree?
That's part of it. For us, there's so much more to healthcare than just the ageing population. So to us, there is, for example, 3D printing that will have an impact. There is biosimilars, and there is robotics. And most of all, what we're quite excited about is something called precision medicine.
So how can we think about this from a layman's perspective?
So precision medicine is all about data collection and data analysis, as well as linking it to the real world, interpreting it. And precision medicine goes back to sequencing. So you've got a lot of sequencing data that comes in and has to be analysed and has to be linked to a disease or to a patient. And that's basically what precision medicine is about, to link it and to make sure that the doctor can make much more educated decisions.
So how did Platinum invest in this idea?
So we've got a couple of investments in this area of precision medicine. So one is QIAGEN, which is a sample technology company that also provides these sample kits that they have to hospitals as well as diagnostic companies or diagnostic labs. And what this company has done has paid a lot of attention to data and how data is being analysed, make it more efficient, and also how to interpret it and link it to the real world, link it to other clinical data they can do. So software is really a big part of them. And for us, that will be a very powerful tool and differentiator in the years to come, and that's why we like QIAGEN. The other example that we have in precision medicine is Roche. Roche is a company that has always had a diagnostic arm to it, so they pay a lot of attention in trying to identify the right patient and matching it with the right drug. But what they have also done is now partnered with other companies, for example oncology, that really have focused on generating a lot of sequencing data around different tumours, around different patients, and then collect that in a database. And so this database is growing, and for Roche that's essential, it's at the core of their drug development to exploit this database. And a third example of precision medicine is Astra Zeneca, who also has paid in the last couple of years a lot of attention to include a precision medicine approach in its drug development and associated with its drugs. So at the moment, about 80% of their product portfolio has a precision medicine application linked to it. So overall, for us, this precision medicine data sequencing is really very important in healthcare, and we think that in the next decade really that this big data and analysis will really change the dynamic of healthcare.
Thank you, Bianca. For the latest commentary on global markets, please visit the journal page of our website.